How to make a playlist on Pandora app. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Pandora is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your Play Store or an App Store and then install it. Also, you have to make sure that the application is up to date, and once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on the interface something like this. Right here you can see the option where it says filter. Click on it. Tons of different options will be available to you. Simply tap on playlist and then click on new playlist. Now you have to give a name for your new playlist. You can enter whatever name that you want to and then click on next at the top right corner. Now what you want to do is search for the specific song that you want to add to the playlist. Once the song is available to you, click on this plus icon and then add to the playlist that you have just made before. That way, you can easily make a playlist and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to make a playlist on Pandora. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.